Hi YouTube. I'm gonna learn this song by the Parquet Courts called Human Performance. I know exactly where I was when I first saw you the way I see you now. When there's a no. Alright, that's the song we're going to learn. I can't remember all the lyrics, but I know there are some. No, there's great lyrics to this song. This is a great song. But I think I know why there's no lessons on it, because it's got a lot of chord changes. So that's why. Alright, I'm going to show you a way to think about the chords that is not just memorizing them. But for those of you who just want to know the chords, the verse is B, F minor, E, D, A. Alright, and the verse is A, and actually I think I said F, but it's F sharp. F sharp. The song, every time I said F, I meant F sharp. Okay, the chorus is similar. It goes A, F sharp minor, A, F sharp minor, A, E, A, D, A, B, and then that repeats. All right, so if you just want to memorize it, get going. All right, let's talk about I think it's most widely known as the Nashville numbering system. And this works really good with a song in A to teach it, because A correlates to the number 1. B is number 2. We're not going to worry so much about minor or major. C is the 3, but we don't play that in this song. D is the 4. E is the 5. And F sharp is the 6. That's a minor. Always going to play that as a minor in this song. Alright, so now that we have numbers assigned to the chords, we can see it starts out on the 2, which is B, goes to the minor 6th. I'm playing it as an F sharp minor 7, but you could just play F sharp minor. Either one will work. I think it just sounds better on the verse as a minor 7th. And once we get to the minor 7th, we do a descending run. We go 6, 5, which is the E, 4, which is the D. It kind of hangs on 4. Indeed I do. And then it goes to the 1, which is the A. So this song is a little unusual in that it starts on the 2 chord. 6, 5, 4, 1. Alright. So a chorus for this Parquet Courts song, Human Performance. We were talking about the numbering system, and just let me say one more thing. What you'll notice too is at the A and the B, and then we have to go down to the 5th string to get the C, D, E, and F sharp. So that just reflects the fact that the guitar is like a piano, which is like broken in half and put one on top of the other. It's, that's just the nature of the guitar. We start on one string and then we continues on the string below it. So it's all, within the reach of our fingers. But anyways, the chorus of this song. The chorus, unlike the verse, the chorus starts on the 1. But then it follows the same pattern of going to F sharp minor, E, D, except A goes in between all of those chords. So it repeats the same thing twice at the beginning. It goes 1, 1, 1, 6. Actually, we should play that just as a minor on the chorus, not as a minor 7th. But what they're doing is grabbing it down here at the 2nd fret, the F sharp minor. That repeats. Fraction in her. Then it goes A, 5, the E, A, 4. Now the only chord we haven't hit that we played during the verse is the B. So next it goes A, B. Then it repeats. A, F sharp minor. A, E. Yeah, I think the second time around, when it gets to the D, goes right to the B for the next verse. I know exactly what I was thinking. Right, so A to F sharp minor, A to E, A D, A B. Is the chorus. All right, now let's go over it in the open position. Okay, I was just showing it with the bar chords, but you could play it in open position. It starts with the B. So we can take our A shape open chord, move it to the 4th fret. For those of you who don't play bar chords, you can just, if you play bar chords, just play a B bar chord. But if you don't, take your A shape, move it to the 4th fret. Now you got a B, but just play strings 4, 3, 2. Then we got a F sharp minor. I know exactly what I was thinking. Then we got a, if you don't play the F sharp minor bar chord, you can just bar the first 3 strings. 3, 2, 1. I know exactly what I was thinking. E, which is the 5. 4 is the D. To the 1. Then back to the B. F sharp minor, which is the 6. E, which is the 5. D, the 4. To the 1. Then to play the chorus, we go A, F sharp minor, and you can play it like this. Repeats. A to the 6. The A to the 6 repeats twice, and then it's A to the 5, A to the 4, A to the 2. All right, so hopefully you can see how that numbering system allows you to see the relationships between the chords, especially when you play them up and down the fretboard with bar chords. Right, but you don't have to play bar chords to understand melody of the song is in F sharp minor. This is the chorus. The organ melody is totally different from the vocal melody, which I like. And I think that's just going to be in a B major, that organ melody. With a few outside notes. So you might, have to play a few notes that are not in the B major. You just have to, experiment and figure out those notes. Something like that, it's more of a kind of, it's just a separate melody when the organ does its solo. And the guitar is playing it on the low strings back, like on strings 4th, 5, 6. So if you're trying to double that on guitar like they do in the recording, you want to stick to these lower strings. D, A, E. All right, so hopefully that'll get you started with that song, and it's a great one. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps me with YouTube, who allow me to put these videos up. And thanks for watching. Bye.